Hello math lover, this is a math olympiad channel. If you are watching my videos, please like and subscribe to watch out more videos like this. Today our topic is 3 power x is equal to 9 power x. Find the value of x. Now we have to solve the question 3 power x. This 9 would become 3 power 2. We can write this 9 3 power 2 power x. So left hand side of the equation is same, right hand side of the equation has a power rule like this: a power m brackets power n, which is equal to a power m dot n. We can write this equation like this: 2x. The base is same, so the power is also same. X is equal to 2x. When we take this x on the right side of the equation would become 0 is equal to 2x minus x. 2x minus x is equal to x. So the value of x is equal to 0.